it's a sad way to say it, but obviously it's a beautiful film. So congratulations for Dil Bechara. We really, really love the film. I have watched it 5 times by far, and I just can't get over it. I also,
Really?
yeah, I've also loved the bond and the chemistry that you had with SSR and your daughter in the film. It is so beautiful. So tell me, how was it for you?
It was actually a very nice experience, and we worked in the film, but it was like a family get together, you might say. And the bonding with the whole team, bonding between the members of the whole team was great, and it showed on screen. You see, when you see the picture, you will notice that we are not actually acting. It's like a family, right? That bonding showed on screen, and that's because of the members of the team, and they were so nice. I loved that unit, and I loved that film.
How long did you all stay together for filming this whole film?
I think I was there for 15, 16 days, I think.
Right.
I think so.
Right.
I don't remember actually exact dates, but I think 15 to 16 days.
Right. So, they say that once you a film or any role is, of course, a baby to an artist. So once you got done with the film, how did you feel, and how did you know that it would come out to be so beautiful in the end of the, release?
Actually, I could guess from Mukesh's expressions, he was very happy after each scene, and I think that he liked it, and it showed on his face, and he was always very fresh and very smiling all the time, and that shows that we were on the right path. But I didn't expect this much of. When I watched the film, I was mesmerized, but I just thought that these are all original characters. This Kizzy, Manny, Mr. Basu, Mrs. Basu, Doctor, they're real characters. I was amazed how the film came out, actually. And I till date don't believe that this can be a man's first film, first directorial venture.
Right.
Amazing work, Mukesh Chabra.
Right. So how was he as a director? Was he very bossy? Did he want things his own way, or did he let you all do however you all were?
No. He knew what we should do and we shouldn't do. He was very particular about. He allowed us. He allowed us to. हाँ क्या करना चाहते हैं दादा? हाँ ठीक है. हाँ ये part तो ठीक है लेकिन वो छोड़ दीजिए. He was very clear in his mind, and a director should be clear. He should not be influenced by any actor or DOP or anybody else. Right. A director is the father of the project, It's his conception. He has watched the film before he shot it. That's how I feel.
That's very beautiful, and in fact we all can really relate to it. I don't know any of my friend or relative who have not watched the film yet. Everyone has, and it's beautiful. Also, sir, I don't want to ask you anything that is going on in the current. Sorry for this mess.
Oh no, it's okay. I have one. It's roaming around.
So I don't want to ask you anything that would trouble you, hurt you, or anything. But I just want to know, how was it for you to work with SSR? And once you got to know that, okay, the guy you worked with is no more, how did you react to this whole situation?
Till date, I just can't believe that Sushant is no more. Till date. And I don't want to believe that.
Right.
While I was watching the film, I knew the film, I knew the story, I knew everything. When I was watching the film, I was just watching the film. After the film was complete, suddenly that feeling came that really, is it real that Sushant is no more?
Yes.
But till date, I can't believe it.
I know, and I think we
And
all.
it's smiling face is always जितना न्यूज देखता हूँ ना उतना ज्यादा वो फेस वो स्माइल याद आता
So do you remember any good memory that you guys shared together? Something happy that you would want to tell us?
है. All the memories were good.
Hmm.
We shot. I was telling you earlier, na, we after shoot, before shoot, we used to chat together. We used to eat together, and it was like a family that showed on screen. I'm telling you, man, it's the same feeling that come to my mind.
Right. Right. So let's not speak on this. I don't want to trouble you, sir. Coming to acting, sir, what does acting mean to you, and how does it make you happy? Tell me that.
Actually, we actors are one of the few privileged persons who earn money from a job they like. It's my choice. I will be an actor. बहुत लोगों को मैंने देखा इम्पोर्टेंट पोस्ट में काम करते हुए लेकिन दे डोंट लाइक देयर जॉब. ठीक है, चलता है, पैसा मिलता है.
जी जी.
Actually, I don't feel that way. Acting is my passion. It's not only पेशा नहीं है, नशा भी है.
जी जी.
So we enjoy, and I don't know what I would have done if I didn't act. I don't know.
Right. So I am also going to talk about your much loved character Bob Biswas in Kahani. We were totally thrilled with your performance, and we also hear that there's a movie being made on the entire character of what you have played, and reports say that it is probably Abhishek Bachchan or somebody playing the role of the same. So I wanted to ask you, were you aware about the fact that this is happening on, and did you feel
Yeah,
that
yeah,
you were aware of the fact?
yeah. I was. Yeah.
But from any certain way, did you feel that if it was your character, it should have been you playing it and not anybody else?
No, I am really very proud of myself because a small character, Bob Biswas, is what the duration was not even 10 minutes.
Ji.
To add all the scenes, it was 9 minutes some seconds. So I'm proud of the fact that such a small character made such a mark that full-fledged Hindi movie is being made on that character. I'm really very proud of myself, and I feel that it's definitely when you make a film, whole film on a character, that too in Hindi, you should not take any risk. See, my Abhishek Bachchan is a much bigger name than Shashwat Chatterjee in Bollywood, right?
ऐसे तो नहीं
So,
बोल सकते, sir. ऐसा बोलना अच्छा नहीं लगेगा किसी को भी, लेकिन
why?
क्योंकि he is
Safer.
there are two different artists and both are equally respected with their
Actually, I'm very new to the Hindi film industry. This
Yes,
is just my third film.
yes,
This
yes,
is just my third film. I cannot say that.
yes, yes, sir. So okay, so also moving forward, I wanted to know, what is it that we will be seeing you in coming up? Is there anything that you've signed up for? Is there anything that is pending
I
because
have,
of lockdown?
yeah, I have completed a film. Rajji's next film, Rajkumar Santoshi ji, has done a film many years after Phata Poster. It's
Ji.
called The Bad Boy.
Wow.
So, yeah, I am in a very important role in that film.
Okay, okay. There's nothing much that you can share with us about the same?
It's a romantic comedy,
Ji.
and I have worked with Rajji for the very first time. I have found him to be an amazing person, a tremendously good actor. When he used to read the scripts, he used to read the script with full emotion. And it was, as a person, I admired Rajji a lot because very few people, after you complete a schedule, when you are coming back to your home, very few people have given their phone number and told me that when you reach home, please call me back. And Rajji had done that. I will never forget.
Oh, wow. Okay, so I'm going to ask you three quick questions without taking a lot of your time. So tell me, if you get the power to go back in the past, okay, and cast yourself for a certain character or a role, which one would that be?
Uh, which role? I mean, somebody else's role.
Yeah. Something that you would probably cast yourself for if you had the power to.
पता नहीं, शायद गब्बर सिंह बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Nice one. Okay, if there can be one thing that you can change in the current scenario in the world, in the current situation, what would that be?
Kill Corona.
I know.
It's doing a lot of damage, physically and mentally.
Okay, and one filmmaker that you really adore and haven't worked with yet, but really wish to work with.
See, there are a lot of films I have watched in the last few months. I have watched a lot of films in Hindi.
जी.
I can't take a name. Once Rohit Shetty comes in mind, तो नीरज पांडे भी आ जाते हैं, तो प्रियदर्शन जी भी आ जाते हैं. So it's a mixed bag feeling, you know. You cannot just pick one.
जी. Okay. और lastly, sir, how was all these 5 months been जो हम सब घर पे हैं fighting this pandemic? How has it been for you, sir?
I just want to forget. I just want to forget those. At least one good thing has happened to me, that Dil Bechara has released, and it has got people are appreciating it like anything. And this is the only good thing I think that has happened in the last few months.
Also, I'd like to tell you one thing, sir, that even after it being released on an OTT platform, fans across the globe are still requesting for a re-release on the theater, because they would make sure that they would again go and watch it. And that is the amount of love that we are giving it. So thank you, sir, for being a part of this.
Thanks.
What would you
Thanks
tell?
to the whole unit.
Ji. What would you tell all the viewers of Dil Bechara and Kahani and everyone who have watched you?
Film, क्या बताऊं अभी. I just want to say to the audience that this it's a very hard time. We are going through a very hard times, and it's very difficult for us to keep ourselves balanced, mentally.
Ji.
We need to feel good. We need to be good, so that we can keep others calm, and we can give support to others.
Ji.
For that, we need to be balanced and cool and happy.
Lovely.
जो भी हो जाए, happy रहना चाहिए.
जरूर. और सर, आप और फिल्म्स करते रहो, हम हैप्पी होते रहेंगे आपको देख के. I'd like to say thank you for joining us on this conversation. I hope मैंने आपको ज्यादा तंग नहीं किया हो.
नहीं. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. See you soon and take care. Bye.